I'm stuffed up, y'all. You hear that? Yeah, I'm stuffed up. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another very quick video, because if you guys cannot hear by the tone of my voice, I am a little sick right now, a little stuffed up. I wouldn't say full out sick, but you know, I got that sinus congestion type, that stuff, y'all know. So I don't feel the best, didn't even really feel like doing my hair, just threw this quick little cute head wrap on. We're just gonna roll about the day. So I told you guys in my last couple videos, or one of my last makeup video, that I was gonna come back with trying out more of the products that I had in that drawer that I did. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I will link the video up top, and I will also post a picture right here, or a little video clip of the big drawer, which is the top drawer right here, that I had full of makeup that I have not tried yet since I've been gone. You guys know me, I have to do my eyes first. So today I'm going to be using the Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette from Too Faced. This is a limited edition. It was sold around the holidays. I think they actually brought it out around like end of August, early September this year. So if you can still find it, I'm pretty sure you can still find it somewhere. What is this? I mean, that's the palette, but what is this? What is in here? Why be cookie cutter when you can be extra spicy? Okay. How to glamour guide, that's what this is. Okay, so that's kind of cute. It gives you different various looks of what you could do and all that yada yada yada. So there's looks there. There's 2 looks here, and there's 2 more looks on the back, and they're really kind of cute names. That's really cute. I've never seen anybody pull this out. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and follow one of these looks. Only thing is, it's gonna be kind of weird because the model is like white, fair, lights complexion, so some of these shades may not show up on me, and this look may not show up the way it looks on here. But I think I'm gonna try one of these looks. That sounds pretty cool. Yeah, let's do this one. I'm gonna keep it dark and sultry because I want to see how dark and deep this palette can go for my eyes. So I'm gonna do this one, which is the Bacon Chill. And according to this, I'm only gonna use 4 shades. I'm gonna use Soft and Sweet, Cinnamon, Midnight Snack, and Cookie Cutter. That's cool. All right, so like I said, I haven't seen anybody do that. I didn't even know that booklet came with. I didn't even know the booklet came with the box. So this is gonna be pretty cool. And I'm not gonna apply that much because, like I said, I'm sick, so my under eyes are like really sensitive because I've been like wiping them so much, along with my nose. My nose is really sensitive and dry, so I applied some moisturizer on my face already, and I applied so much just directly on my nose because my face is really dry and like puffy and stuff. So I'm being really cautious under my eye. Alright, so now that the eyes are more or less done, I do have to apply eyeshadow, all that other good stuff, but my lower lash line is already done, my inner corner is already done. I added that because it didn't say to, but I added it because she's lighter than me, but me having like double dark eyes, you know, I ain't want that right now. I didn't want that today, so I just added the same thing I added in my brow bone and my inner corner, and that was Cookie Cutter. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on to the face because I haven't wasted enough of everybody's time. But I really have fun doing that. I'm gonna have to do the other looks. So as I mentioned, or may have not mentioned, I don't remember, I already moisturized my face. And I've also color corrected around my mouth, and I've already done my brows. So let's jump into primer. To prime my face, I'm finally going to try the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is the trial size because y'all know me. Why buy full size if I don't even like the trial size? You feel me? You feel me? We on a budget, trial sizes are cheaper, and it's a good way to test out products. I am going to try on my channel in front of you guys again because I don't think the video that I did, I don't think I actually posted it, but I did post a look with this, me trying this foundation, but it was a different shade. So this is my 8th time trying this foundation, and the other one that I tried, and I'll post a little video clip right here. I did like this shade, but I felt like 445 maybe a little bit better. The one in this video clip is 440. So we're gonna see if 445 is the way to go. We're gonna see. But this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. It's supposed to be medium to full coverage for all long wear, light as air type foundation. And it seems like I'm shaking it and more red is popping up. Like, you guys see the back of the bottle? Do you guys see that red and orange-ish under? Jeez. If I gotta go back to the store one more time and grab this foundation, I'm just gonna be like, you know what? Just give me the Hydro foundation. I'm not doing this one anymore. What's next? I am going to move to my concealer, and I mentioned this in my last video, but I want to show you guys personally on full camera. I realized that the video I did with this was a really quick short snippet video, but I will still post that video little clip right here. So I did want to like actually show you guys how amazing and how like smoothing this is. And like I said, because I've been wiping my eyes and my nose area a lot because I've been sick, this is cream. So it's gonna blend in better than if I were to use a liquid concealer, because most of my liquid concealers are more drying and more matte because I am oily skin, but my skin is very sensitive and very dry underneath my eyes right now, even with the eye cream that I applied. So I'm gonna use a cream, and this is my absolute favorite cream concealer, and this is the Marc Jacobs Accomplice Concealer in the shade 49. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills sponge. I got this from Ulta when it was like spend a certain amount of money on Anastasia and get the sponge and the eyebrow cream, eyebrow gel for free. So, I mean, you guys know I'm all about my real techniques, but you know, never hurts to try a sponge, especially when it's free. And as I have mentioned before, I don't usually wet my sponge, like fully and douse it into water and then wring it out. I usually just spray it. I'm starting to lose my voice, y'all. I usually just spray it with my Mario Badescu spray, which is what I'm going to do for this because I treat it like I do everything else, right? I feel like this thing could actually do wonders, but it's so stiff right now. And I don't feel like getting up to wet my sponge. So I'm just gonna use mine. I'm sorry. Not saying it's not a good sponge, but right now it's just too like hard and condensed, and I can't really get in my corners of my eyes that much. But I will try that sponge again, and I will actually wet it. But right now I'm just gonna use my normal. So as my setting spray is settling down, I'm going to apply my mascara, and this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Absolutely love this mascara. This is the High Shine lip gloss in the shade Sepia. So I'm just gonna take a lip liner, which you guys know, NYX lip liner all day, every day. Alright guys, so this is the final and overall look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I did have fun, and this was really cool to follow these little guided type things that Too Faced gave in their extra spicy palette. Overall, for the palette overall in general, I do like it. I thought some of those lighter shades wouldn't pop up on me, but for Sweet and Soft to pop up the way it did, it's not that pastel pink on my skin complexion. It is a really pretty color pink. Cinnamon popped up really well. Midnight Snack popped up really well. It looks a little bit more black on camera, but you can see the green in color, or in person. You definitely can see the green reflexes in the glitter, and you can see like the bluish tone to it. But other than that, I'm really happy with this palette. And Cookie Cutter that I used in my brow bone, I like that shade and I like that color. I think it's really, really pretty. I like it's like a rose gold. It's a soft rose gold, and you guys know I love rose gold. But I recommend this palette if you can still get your hands on it. Let me know what you guys think of the look. Let me know if you guys want me to try out any of the other looks in this little booklet, because I am all for it. Out of my new palettes that I have to try, this was my second high-end palette, and so 2 down and 2 more to go. So Laura Mercier loose setting powder, beautiful, gave me a beautiful finish, beautiful soft finish. I didn't apply that much, but it still gave me a beautiful soft finish, just like the Fenty powder that I tried in my last video gave me a very soft finish. Speaking of Fenty, I may or may not have found the foundation shade for me. I think 445 is it, guys. It gave me a little bit scared when I saw red streaks in the bottle, but I think 445 may be the shade. I will try the Anastasia Beverly Hills sponge again. It was just very dense and compact for me right now, but it's because I didn't fully wet it. I just sprayed it, but that may be one of those sponges where you have to fully wet and then wring out. So I will go back trying that. As far as their lip gloss, I mean, it's bomb. It's really, really bomb. I liked everything that I tried. I've tried this before. It's just nothing new, but I love the mascara. My eyes look absolutely amazing. Oh, I almost forgot this. The Hydro Grip Primer, I think it did pretty well. It played very nicely with the Fenty foundation. So yeah.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
So once again, guys, I am your girl, J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Please comment down below. Please let me know what you guys want to see next from me. Please let me know what you guys want to see from me overall in this year. And I will catch you guys in my next one before I start to sneeze all over again and my eyes start to water. I'm just going to sign out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Peace.
20 minutes later.
I'm not going a doggone place, and I absolutely like this look. Y'all see what I do for y'all? Y'all see the sacrifices I make? I literally would just put on makeup. Y'all know what time it is right now? It is almost 9. It's 8:20, okay? Okay, it's almost 8:30. But 9 is close enough, okay? It's almost 9, and I literally just put makeup on just for you guys, okay? Just so you guys can get a look. Commitment. I'm telling y'all, 2020, I'm all about commitment, content, and getting it out for y'all. Consistency. That's what I'm doing. For y'all. For the culture.